Where two or three are gathered, Lord, you said you'd be there. So Lord, we honor your presence. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I have this a little bit dramatic wing liner for you guys, but the main focus is the brows. I just wanted to show you guys how I did my brows. I was just like, let me just get ready because I'm about to leave the house, and then I was like, let me just, whatever I'm doing, let me just do it. And I wanted the focus to be on my brows because I know I said I'll bring you guys a brow video. So this is a get ready with me / brow routine. So I just wanted to put everything in there. So I hope you guys like this look. It's just an easy wing liner, and if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. So I'm gonna prime my face using my Becca mattifying primer and my Makeup Forever smoothing primer. I'm putting the Makeup Forever at the outer parts of my face and the Becca primer in my T-zone.
Where two or three are gathered, Lord, you said you'd be there. So Lord,
I'm using this for my T-zone because it gets oilier. Now I'm going in with my Estee Lauder primer in Espresso. It's a 8-in-1 primer, I think. Sorry, foundation. 8-in-1 foundation in Espresso, and I'm just putting that all over. This is my favorite foundation at the moment. This and Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation. I really love this stuff. And I'm just using my finger first of all to put that all over, and then I am buffing it in with a buffing brush that broke. But I'm just buffing that in first. So I'm not really buffing in because the brush, to be honest, is a mess. But I like to use a brush before going in with a beauty blender so it doesn't soak up all the product. So that's just what I'm doing. Going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut, I am putting that all over the places I want to highlight. So underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, the sides of my mouth, and my chin and my forehead. You know the drill. I'm also putting that underneath my brows because I'm sort of cleaning underneath my brows now, or more to say highlighting underneath my brows. And I'm just speeding through this blending process because you guys already know the drill. Plus, if you're new to my channel, I have a very detailed foundation, highlight and contour video, which I'm going to leave the link at the end of the video. So please go watch that, so it just makes the process easier. And I just went back with my foundation brush just to kind of blend well with the concealer, since the concealer is like a little bit more lighter than my regular concealer. So this is just what I do if my concealer is too light. And I just sped up the blending process, just making sure everything is blended well. And now I'm just gonna use my Laura Mercier translucent powder to set everything in place. So I'm just pushing that into my face so that I don't leave so much product on my face. Like the baking is, I don't have so much product except for my nose, which I was about to sneeze, hence the face. Now I'm gonna contour using my Morphe 35OM palette, I believe, or 35O palette. I use either of the two, and I usually just take the dark shades and I contour my face. This works for me, and I haven't really found like a very good contour product, so this just does the trick. I know a lot of people use eyeshadows, and I'm just cleaning under that contour with my translucent powder, and I'm making sure to push that in. So this is kind of the same thing as using a concealer underneath that, and I don't like using a concealer, so this just works. And I don't really let that stay. I just clean that off immediately, and I also clean off any excess powder on my face. And then I go and I set that with my MAC NW58 powders, the Studio Fit. I love that powder. And I'm using that same powder, my NW58, my regular skin powder, to contour my nose because I don't really like a harsh nose contour. And I'm also going again with my contour brush and just making sure that the contour is, really out there after setting my powder. Now using my Maybelline Neo liner, I am going to line my eyes, the bottom part of my eyes with this. And because I'm doing an inner wing, I am bringing that like to the inner corners of my eye, and I'm also kind of outlining, where the black I'm just outlining my eyes basically. That's just what I'm doing. And here I'm just kind of tracing where I'll fill that in. And now I'm using my Wet n Wild liquid liner to line my eyes, and this has like a pointed tip which makes it easy to apply. I really love this liner, and it's really black. So I'm just taking my time, and I'm also bringing that inside as well. And I'm trying to join it together. Now I'm just going with a little bit of concealer using this brush I used to use to clean underneath my brows. There wasn't really much, a mistake, so that really helped. Now for my brows, I'm going to brush my brow hairs first, and then taking this Wet n Wild brow pencil, I'm just kind of outlining my brows. This brow pencil is a little bit too light for me. My brows are darker than this pencil, so I just like to use this to kind of outline first of all before using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow in Ebony. And for the front, I'm just doing light hair-like strokes. I focus on the tail end because as the rest of my brows, they are pretty much filled up. So I focused on the end. My back was really hurting here, so hence the face. So I'm just filling that in, just going over what I did and focusing on the tail end. I don't really use so much of this product here, and this new brow routine has really helped me. So I save my time, and just even help my brows to look more natural, as opposed to when I use a whole concealer to clean it and stuff. So focusing on the tail end and then lightly bringing it to the front without adding any product, and just whatever is left on the brush, I'm just going over that outline and also the front of my brows. And lastly, I go with a spoolie and I just brush everything in place. And I also go back to my brows when I'm done with my whole face, because sometimes when I'm putting the powders and highlighting my face, it kind of moves, so I go over it with my spoolie and brush it again before I leave the house or whatever. Now I'm using my Becca Cosmetics highlighter in Topaz. I really love this highlighter. It is my favorite highlighter, so if I don't know what highlighter to use, it's my go-to. So I'm just making sure to blend here. Like you don't want that streak of highlighter to be showing. You want to make sure you really blend your highlighter. So I use circular motions, and I find that using this precise brush really helps. So I'm putting that on my forehead as well. You don't have to put it on your forehead, it's just something I like to do sometimes, actually all the time. And then the bridge of my nose, just the tip of my nose, and then I also put it like in between my brows, and then my cupid's bow. I really like to go over my highlighter, especially my Topaz, with this Bare Minerals Invisible Glow highlighter. It's so subtle, you won't really see it, but it just kind of blends my Topaz, and it just gives me like this perfect look. You won't really notice it, which is what I like about it, but you will see like it makes your highlighter smooth. Now I'm going over that, I'm blending my contour and my highlighter using my MAC Cosmetics blush in Raisins. I've had this blush for years and it is my favorite blush. Like, this blush is everything. And then I'm also going back again with my contour brush and also going over that again with my Invisible Glow, just to make sure everything is in place. Now I'm gonna spray with my Mario Badescu spray. I believe this is the rose water, and also my Urban Decay setting spray and oil control.
Where to a tree
I like to spray, guys.
Lord, you said
And now using my Wet n
you'd be
Wild
there.
brow
So
pencil,
Lord,
I am lining my lips.
we
This is my
honor
go-to
your
nude lips
presence.
if I'm not trying to
Yeah,
do anything with,
where to a
this
tree
is, my lips are naturally
Lord, you
dark, they're
said
naturally black,
you'd
I
be
would
there.
say. No, I
Lord,
don't smoke, they're just like that. People have asked
we
me that
honor
actually,
your
but
presence.
I just go over, kind of line it, and then I go over it with this
National,
gloss I got from my beauty supply store, and that is it. Now I'm applying these lashes from AliExpress. You guys know I love AliExpress lashes. Don't sleep on them. These were under $3, I believe. I'm gonna leave the link down in the description box. So you just want to bring it as close to your natural lashes as possible. And I'm using the dual fiber glue, the dark one, the one that is black, I think.
Lord, you said you'd be there. So Lord,
Hey guys, so this is the finished look. I just went and wore this vintage-ish top. I wish I had a way to show you guys my outfits or something like that. Sometimes when I'm doing like a get ready with me like this, it's just a top with a skirt, nothing too fancy, but and yeah, I really hope you guys like this look and you guys enjoy the brow routine. Something easy, simple, but I just wanted to do like a get ready with me with it. So yeah. What else? Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Please subscribe, like, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, God bless you.
yeah, yeah. Where to a tree I gathered, Lord, you said you'd be there. So Lord, we honor your presence. Yeah. Where to a tree I gathered, Lord, you said you'd be there.